Magandang umaga po at welcome po sa ating programa, My Morning Manna with Pastor OG. Buksan po natin ang ating mga Biblia sa aklat po ng 1 Peter chapter 4 verse 12 to 13. Ito po ang pagkasabi, "Do not think it strange concerning the fiery trial which is to try you." Patuloy tayo sa sakunod, no? "But rejoice to the extent that you partake of Christ's suffering." This afternoon or this day or this morning o anong oras nyo man ito pinapapakinggan, God is not surprised. Hindi po nasusurpresa ang Panginoon sa mga pangyayari sa buhay natin. Problem that occurs to you day by day is not a surprise to God. He knows them, and even before it comes to you. Bago man ito darating sa atin, alam na po ito ng ating Panginoon. Wala pong bagay na sekreto sa ating Panginoon. Alam niya po ang lahat ng bagay na ito. Ano pong ibig niyo pong sabihin, Pastor? Ibig ko pong iparating ay ganito. Huwag kang mag-alala, alam po lahat ng ating Panginoon ang iyong dinaranas ngayon. There might be challenges that seems difficult to pass, but man's difficulty is God's expertise. When time of trouble comes at darating ang point na parang pakiramdam mo, hirap ka na, don't worry, God is an expert, no? Kuhan siya, ano tawag natin dyan? Yung minder, broken heart minder, o di kaya tinatawag problem solver. Trials are always to be expected. Always expect the unexpected. Trials is always there. Huwag kang mag-alala, lahat tayo nakakaranas. Problems, challenges, and trials may come, but will live with lessons. And remember that soon it will eventually flee from you. There might be problems, challenges, and trials, but I know it will leave us lessons. It will leave us encouragement, and soon it flees before it flees. So, nothing surprises God. Anong ibig ko iparating ngayon sa inyo? Simple lang po. Dumating man ang trouble sa buhay natin, it's not surprise to God. Just tell Him, Lord, alam mo na kung anong nangyari sa akin. And I want you, Lord, to help me because I cannot do it on my own. I need your help. And I believe God is there to help you whatever you are facing today. In Christ Jesus, be blessed today. God will answer all your prayers. God bless po at magandang umaga.